The Chemical Energy Command Center, as the central nervous system for production safety, undertakes the continuous 7x 24-hour process monitoring, emergency dispatching, and equipment control tasks. In such critical scenarios, any 1-second equipment malfunction or operational delay could trigger a chain reaction, according to data from the Emergency Management Department. Accidents caused by equipment failures in the chemical industry due to the command center's equipment issues result in direct economic losses of over 500,000 yuan per hour on average. With the advancement of intelligent transformation and digitalization, the command center is upgrading from a single monitoring system to data integration plus intelligent decision-making, with the equipment carrying capacity increasing by 2 times compared to 5 years ago. The high humidity and dusty production environment also imposes stricter requirements on the operation platform. It must not only stably support multi-screen clusters and mainframe equipment, but also adapt to the health needs of personnel on shift duty, and must also have long-term durability to match the long-term operation of chemical projects. The KCD series control consoles precisely meet these requirements. The 6063 T5 aluminum alloy frame with a 200 kg load-bearing capacity per meter can easily handle equipment clusters, and its 20-year non-deformation feature is in line with the entire project's lifecycle. The E0 grade HPL board desktop is moisture-proof and scratch-resistant in high-humidity environments, protecting the health of dispatchers. In a chemical park project, the modular design enables the monitoring area and command area to be flexibly reorganized. The ice blue atmosphere lights relieve fatigue during night shifts, and the separation of strong and weak power wiring increases equipment maintenance efficiency by 50%, making it a reliable neural conduction carrier in the scene.